You know what?
What?
Your shoe is already...
Is it already gone?
Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. I've had huge bike problems lately, so today we are actually going to find a mechanic that came to us through Facebook, and he was highly recommended. And he lives up there in, where is it called? Camachilis. So we're gonna take ourselves up there, and the ride to come along for the ride. The issues we have really is the fact that here in the Philippines, okay, we're gonna go right here and then go down a couple of 3 kilometers, so it's not really far. Takes about 10-15 minutes from Dao to get to this guy. He comes highly recommended, so we're gonna try to see what he can do for us and see if he can help us out. Had several problems. A couple of months ago, my clutch wire went out. We went on some dirty roads, and I guess the wire was not greased and dust got in, and one day trying to go home at night, the clutch wire snapped. So I'm running on a temporary clutch wire. Ordered about 7 to 8 weeks ago through Motor Trade, who is the dealer that we bought this thing from. 8 weeks, 7-8 weeks has gone by, and we have not so far got the parts we ordered.
Yeah.
And then what was it? A couple of weeks later, my speedometer wire went out.
Yes.
And I placed an order for that, so that going on 5 weeks. No parts has showed up.
Yeah. Never takes back.
And
what's the updates?
Right, and then I went to AC, which is a motorcycle spare part shop up in Angeles.
Yeah.
And ordered some stuff as well. I'm going to need new brakes. I'm going to have this guy look at it and see what he can do. The main reason we're coming here today is that the rubber dumper has gone out, and then I hear some noise in the chain and all that, so we got to get that fixed. We haven't been wanting to take any long trips.
Yeah, just around here in the only.
Yeah, so we haven't been wanting to take any long trips. We wanted to go. We have a standing invitation from our friends down in Morong, and we wanted to go down there for a day or two, and then possibly here sometime very soon I want to take a little ride up to Baguio for a day or two and do some vlogging up there. So we want to try to vlog for you guys. But anyway, let's talk about this guy a little bit. His name is Brian
Lim.
L-I-M.
Yeah. Brian Lim.
And I'm also in the video here, I'm going to put up a contact number to him. So if you guys are out there and you need a little bit of service, this guy is probably the guy to go to. He has many years of experience. He's about 40 years old, I think, maybe a little younger. And we're gonna try to have him take a look at it today.
Yeah. He's been professional.
Yeah, he's been professional according to all referrals we got.
Yeah.
We heard he's really good. So
And then he didn't increase the price, even you are a foreigner.
No, he quoted some decent prices.
Yeah.
And I'm going to give the prices, but that's going to come in the next video, because when I'm there, I'm going to vlog the whole event. Going to go through whatever he needs to do. Rubber dumper is the most critical part for me right now to get that fixed, because it's a little jerky ride and noise in the chain.
The noise is like chug 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 chug.
Yeah. And I think that can have to do with the chain tension as well. Anyway, this road, and we're coming up here fairly soon. We're coming up here to the NLEX. Gonna cross that, and apparently he's right on the other side, maybe 1 or 2 blocks down. So we're gonna do that. This road also, if you ever wanted to go to Mount Araya, this is the road to take.
Yeah.
We have done a couple of videos for that. I'm gonna slap up a link to the video we made up there at Mount Araya in the park.
Yeah, this is the way that we travel.
Right. Yeah, this is the way we travel. All right, I think we're coming up on his exit here. Let's see. Yeah. Not here, but
Couple of blocks.
couple of blocks. All right.
Yeah, that one.
Right there. Yes. Okay.